Hello and welcome to the monthly product update from Xeneta. My name is Eric Devetak and I'm the head of product here at Xeneta. Today we'll look at the latest product updates at Xeneta. More specifically, we will focus on the last 2 months and what we have launched in this time period. The first and the major topic of this discussion will be our air product. We have revamped our air product consistently and substantially based on the feedback on our beta testers. These are the customers that have kindly agreed to work with us in the last few months. The first of such update is the service levels. Previously, we have focused our service levels purely based on transit times. Now we have updated this concept, and we are taking into account many more parameters in order to determine the air service levels. For example, in the fastest or shall we say in the highest service level, the upper tier, we do not consider road feeders as a possibility. In the lower tier service levels, we look at service levels where consolidations and road haulage is allowed. There is, of course, other updates from the air product. For example, we have introduced a new concept of geo-hierarchy. What we do here is we map the ideas that we have developed in the ocean in order to expand the coverage that we can provide our customers also in our air product. A revamp of the concept of weight brackets to bring them more in line with the standard that are present in the industry in general, and particularly with our freight forwarder customers. Stepping now away from our air product and looking more at our indexing product, there is also major news there. We have launched our public indices. This is a set of 7 indices that cover different regions, or in the case of the global index, the whole world. This is very interesting information for all our customers to be able to monitor the movement of the markets, particularly in Europe, the Far East, and in the US. Our last topic of discussion today is the internal tools that we at Xeneta use in order to standardize and import the data into our platform. While this is not visible to our customers, these are incredibly important tools in order to maintain the data quality that we have and in order to grow the amount of data that Xeneta can provide to all of you. Now, in the last few months, we have reached the limits of the amount of data that Xeneta can import. We are very close to reaching the limits. So what we have decided at Xeneta is to invest a significant amount of effort in order to be able to import more data and to improve our data quality also in the future. In this slide, we have developed new ways of importing data, new ways of standardizing the data. What does that mean to your customers, right? At Xeneta, in the last month, we managed to import 6-7 million data points. Now, with the new tools, we aim to be able, towards the end of next year, to import up to 20 million data points every month. That means that Xeneta will grow in the quality of data and the amount of data that can present to you. That means that every single month that you'll be looking at our Xeneta benchmarks, you will have more information and better information. I think this is all I would like to share with you today, but I'm definitely looking forward to talking to you soon. And I'm also definitely looking forward for any questions that you'd like to post to our Xeneta product team. Thank you very much.